Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got a Ford F150. Doesn't matter what kind of Ford you have, but this baby is taking a long crank. Then it cranks up. I have my doubts. I scanned it. No codes, no nothing whatsoever. We also have a problem with the fuel gauge. The truck is full of gas, no problem. So it's not like we out of gas. But let's start this baby. What we're gonna do here is I got my foot off the gas pedal, so I'm gonna clear some doubts I have. But we're gonna start this with the foot not on the pedal. So check this out and listen to the truck. It started up pretty good this time, but most of the time it doesn't start up well. Okay, it takes a long crank. If you let it sit down for like 10 minutes, it's taking a long time, long crank. Okay, right now it's no problem. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna give it a good 20-30 minutes, and then we're gonna come back to it and restart. Okay, we're gonna try one more time. It's only been like 10 minutes. Let's close this door. No foot on the pedal. I'm talking about the gas pedal. Okay, but I don't even want to press it. Let's check this baby out. You hear that? And it starts up shitty. It starts up really crappy. So this could be vacuum leak, fuel's not going in. It could be a lot of things. It could be the bad throttle body. We probably can clean the throttle body. So my doubt is it could be a throttle body. Okay, so let's give it another 10 minutes, and then we're gonna restart it. But this time I'm gonna push on the pedal and see how that performs. And I already tried it before. That's why I said I just want to make a video on it now. I wanted to clear the doubt. And whenever I press the gas pedal and I crank it, every time, like magic, okay, better than ever. So that gives me a doubt that it could be a dirty throttle body and there's not enough air getting in there. But anyways, let's try one more time after 10 minutes. Okay, we're back one more time. Let's give it another try. So what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna press the gas pedal. There you go. Starts up like a baby. Okay, so let's pop the hood. Let's go under the hood, baby, and let's go into the hood. We're gonna start with cleaning the throttle body, and from there we'll take it. Let's see where it goes from there. Throttle body is all the way over there, so we're gonna have to take off all this, the 10mm bolts all around. Everything's gonna come off, so let's give it a shot. Also, at the same time, not at the same time, I'm gonna just do the throttle body, and if it doesn't work out, then I'm gonna clean the MAF airflow sensor, and it could be a faulty sensor there. Other than that, it could be also, I noticed I had a few jobs before, this valve will get stuck open and it will throw in the air directly. That could be one of the faults. So you can simply just remove this and block the line, put something on it, and that way it starts up really good. Anyways, you know what I'll do? I'll start from this evap valve over here. Okay, so the air will pass right through here. So you can either take off the top one and block it, or the bottom one. It would be easier for me to block the sensor so the air cannot bypass through it. Okay, before anything, let's check this valve. You can even take off the valve and blow air in it. The air should not be traveling through it. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna have to squeeze this guy. I don't know how I'm gonna get in there. In other words, this top one is blocking the bottom one. My fingers can't go on it, but I'm able to manage to do something here. Okay, a needle nose probably will work there. Can't get my thumb to squeeze that little guy. Okay, a needle nose it is. Okay, let's go get a needle nose. Okay, got my camera hooked over here with my broken stand. So let's see if I can squeeze this guy just like that and push the pipe off. Seems like it's almost out. There you go. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll block with something so no air can go through and go by. Okay, that's one thing I want everyone to check, okay? So I got a small little piece of plastic here. It's like part of the glove. So what I want to do is I want to attach this guy right here, and this should hold right here really good. I'm gonna try to strap it down with something. Got a small strap tie here, and I am gonna put it here. My light and noise sucks. Got more lights coming on the way very soon. Okay, so this should hold it. Anyways, let's go inside just like that and crank up this truck and see how it feels about it. So the vacuum line, this vacuum line we took off is just an Evap line, and this is the vacuum that goes through the engine block. Let's go. Let's go in here. No foot. Starts up really crappy. It definitely starts up really crappy. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna put that back, and we're gonna start taking the throttle intake pipes there off, and we'll clean up the throttle first. Anyways, I'm gonna undo all this, put the pipe back in, and then we'll continue. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take off this bolt here. Let's put this to the side here. Okay, our pipe here should be coming out of the way really quick, just like that. After that, we're gonna take off, you're gonna pull this red tab here, and then you're gonna squeeze this, and you're gonna remove this connector, put it to the side. We got one bolt, two bolts on the opposite side, and we got some vacuum lines. Okay, so while we on this side, let's remove this 10 and this 10. Okay, come on. Ooh, that bolt is gonna fall. I don't like that when things get stuck like that. So let's put these up here. Let's go to the opposite side. We can put our tools here. We're gonna remove our step post here. And on this side, we got this little guy right here. Just push this off. It will come right off. It's held in by this little metal piece. And there's the same thing over here. This one over here is plastic, but it's the same thing. You can just push it off. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, there you go. Okay, that's out. Okay, so this is out. What we're gonna do is, this is out. This pipe, you push this baby, and you should be able to, if you push on this, push down on it, and we should be able to take out this pipe here. Let's put it to the side. Okay, the intake is almost ready to come out. Not the intake, just the upper half of it, bit from the throttle body. Okay, I don't know if there's a strap there. Okay, nothing is there. So this baby comes right out. Our filter not looking so bad. We got some leaves in there. We'll take that out. Anyways, what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean that throttle body really good. Okay, so you could do two things. Have somebody push the pedal for you, put the key on. I'm not sure if it's gonna open it. So what I like to do here is, with the key on, you're gonna have a check engine light after this if you don't have a check engine light on, because we disconnected these sensors. Remember, we disconnected them. Since we're gonna put the key on, it's gonna detect. Okay, so what we're gonna do is put this baby right here, and watch this. Okay, see that? Let's get it to where we want it at, all the way down. It's not gonna go nowhere. Okay, now got the stick off. Stick is off. We're gonna turn the key to accessory. Now starting the engine. We're gonna push down on this pedal, and we're gonna go look at to see if the throttle opened. Okay, let's see if the throttle opened. Yep, look at that. Throttle will stay open for you right there once you do that on this particular truck. So we want to clean everything here, the bore, everything around it, the dirt and filth. If it works out good, if not, we can't do much about it. Then we need to go further. It could be the fuel pressure itself. It could be a lot of other things. So these are just the basics. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is we're gonna take a throttle body cleaner. I don't have a lot left, and I am gonna just take a simple. Originally I grabbed this, but then I have one full bottle here, and I got a mass airflow sensor cleaner, but this is pretty good right here. I don't want to spray this directly in there, So what I want to do here is, the truck is really high. I'm gonna try to get higher and see if I can get a better look at it. It's okay for that thing to be there. Okay, I just got on something higher, so we can go in there and take a look. What we're gonna do here. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to record this guy because I can't even hold my camera. So what you want to do here is, I got throttle body cleaning services on these other cars. Same thing. Spray this here, and what you want to do is, you want to clean out right where the throttle body is meet. See all that gunk? So wherever it meets on the corners, after that, if you feel that it has worked out for you, that would have been a good fix. Anyways, I'm gonna clean this baby. Whew. Yeah, I'm up in here. Anyways, I'm gonna continue doing this. So look at all that gunk just for one little swap. Well, I didn't even get a good touch with just one layer. Anyways, let me finish this baby out. So I did quite a bit of cleaning in there, and check this out. All this rag is full of it. All this is full of it. So I did quite a bit of cleaning, and it's a little tough. So let's see what kind of difference it makes. I do want to clean the MAF airflow sensor. At the same time, I don't want to clean it, so we can at least get good performance of what happened here after we did just the throttle body cleaning. So what we're gonna do here is, we're gonna put this baby back in, and after that we will make the move on the throttle body. Okay, so let's get this baby onto this. Make sure your throttle, the neck on the throttle is pretty good. No vacuum leak should occur there. Okay, there you go. That looks good. So we're gonna put 2 bolts in here, 2 on the opposite side. Okay, we need 2 bolts on this side. Okay, the problem here is I'm gonna have to move. Let's finish out everything on this side, because I'm gonna have to move my boxes that I'm stepping on. And where's the harness? Okay, this is the harness. I can put that at the end if it works out. Put this baby in. We can put this harness as well. We're gonna go to the other side. Okay, do not forget the mass airflow sensor connector. Okay, do not forget this guy here. Put this in, make sure it doesn't come out. Clip this back in. So, I also want to put this pipe in. I don't want to put the 10mm on this yet. Okay, that will not matter yet. So we're gonna put this baby on. We're gonna leave it there. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna pull this off. We're gonna wait for 10 minutes or maybe 20 minutes, and then we're gonna crank it up. So we'll come right back. Okay, so it's been good 15 minutes. Let's crank this baby up. If it starts up good, it could be just that I'll play around with it a bit. Then I'm gonna give it another 20 minutes just to test it. So no foot on the pedal. It starts up a little better. It starts up a little better, okay? So maybe I didn't get the throttle body clean 100%, but I'm gonna give it good 10-15 minutes. Pull out the key, and then we'll come right back to it one more time. If it does a crazy cranking, if it feels it's better, good, we made some kind of move. Okay guys, so that didn't work. I gave it a try already, but I still want to confirm it with you guys. So that was my doubt. And my another doubt is MAF sensor, mass airflow sensor. So again, let's take our key, put this baby in. See that? So my next doubt is the MAF airflow sensor, okay? MAF. So why don't we just try a fail-safe mode on this baby? So why don't we do this, okay? We're gonna disconnect that MAF sensor one more time, and we're gonna leave it disconnected this time. That will put it into loop mode, so it's disconnected completely. See this? The connector's hanging over here for the MAF sensor, so it's disconnected. And we're gonna go crank this baby. Sometime it will start right up after the first start, but let's give it another try. Okay, oh, where's the keys? No foot on the pedal. That started up really well. Like I said, after cranking it, it will probably start up better, but we're gonna wait 20 minutes and give it another try. But we got the MAF sensor coming in. We're gonna put a new one in instead of cleaning it. But anyways, we are gonna get to the bottom of this. If that MAF, this is just a basic. If it doesn't work out, then it's gonna be a lot deeper. Okay, I might not continue, or I will have to speak to the customer from there on. But anyways, let's wait for the MAF sensor. But let's wait 20 minutes, and we'll come back to this baby again, and then let's see how it works. So it's a 9:51. Let's give it another 10 minutes, 10 o'clock or 10:15. Right there. Anyways, let's continue in a bit. Okay, we got ourselves a new mass airflow sensor, high tech. There's a part number here. I don't recommend these. I don't use these, but this is the only option I got. And usually I want to go motorcraft, but it is what it is. But we're gonna change this baby out. So you got two little screws, one here, one in the bottom. So let's get the bottom one out first, and then I'm gonna show you the tool that I just used right here. This is a 1/4" ratchet with a 2" extension, and I'll show you the socket, the size that you need. So once it's loose, it should come off easily. That's a little screw right there, just like the one you see over here. Same screw looking. Put it somewhere safe. You don't want to lose these babies. And let's put this guy right here. So what I use here is T20, okay, torque number 20. And you could probably use a fit of Allen key on this as well, but this is fine. You can always try to clean the MAF airflow sensor. Do not lose that screw for me. Pull out this baby just like that. Very simple and easy. Over time, this thing will give up. So what we're gonna do is I want to put this somewhere safe. You never know. So I am gonna grab this new sensor here. My friend got it for me here. So it only goes the same way that we took off. Okay, so you do want to put it the same way, and you want the air to hit just like that. And remember, the connector part is facing up. If you put it this way, your connector will be facing down. So try to get it the same way. We pulled it off, and there's a seal right here at the edge here. Make sure that's there and nice and flush. Make sure it's clean. Two surfaces meet clean. And we're gonna take our little screw right here, and let's take our tool here. I want to snug this baby in, and gonna go grab the second screw. Don't lock it up all the way. Grab the second screw. Do not drop it. It's a tight little spot. Once you drop it, bada bing, bada boom, it's gone. You're never gonna find it. Okay, hand tight, nothing crazy. Don't ask me for torque spec. You don't need torque specs. So I'm gonna lock up this end, and that should do it. Lock it up, and we're gonna plug this baby in, and that's it. Bada bing, bada boom. If this does the job, there you guys have it. Bad mass airflow sensor. I've done plenty of these. Even this and this would cause a throttle body as well. Anyways, I'm gonna take a small little break, and then we're gonna crank it up. Okay, I'm gonna get inside the truck. Same thing. Okay, I'm inside the truck. We're gonna start up the truck, and let's see. Starts up much better. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one. And that's what it is.